English dictation 80 word per minute. Ready? Start. Sir, I do not understand that when both houses of parliament have passed a law for the conduct of examinations in all the Indian languages, why the UPSC is not serious enough till today to execute the government of India's policy. My feeling is that the IAS and the UPSC have lost their utility in this country. Throughout the world, the experts or specialists have replaced these types of administrative officers. But it is unfortunate that the system of British rule is being continued in this country by the lobby of these IAS officers. I fail to understand how a simple graduate from arts or commerce side who failed to get admission in the medical college or in the engineering college at the graduation level can acquire such vast knowledge and run all the departments of the government of India or the state governments. It is time that we replace this old system by specialist system as is done in other countries of the world. In almost all of the countries of the world, there is all round development in all fields, but in India, the situation is just the opposite. Sir, I do not understand the wisdom of this government or the framers of the constitution in allowing the same facilities of reservation even after 40 years of independence. So, I would like to suggest that if the father or the mother of any minority community has enjoyed the benefit of reservation to enter the IAS or the IPS or allied services, that benefit should not be extended to his or her children. That benefit may go to some other families in the same community or some backward classes. Let the benefit be equally distributed to all communities for whom reservation is made. Sir, the IAS system is causing unnecessary friction between the central government and the state governments. It is a reality that in more than 12 states, non-Congress governments are working. The confidential reports of IAS people are written by the Union Home Ministry and not by the states. I would request the government through you, sir, that this point needs to be considered at the earliest. If the friction can be reduced to some extent, then the relations between the center and the states can improve fast. इस डिक्टेशन का PDF आपको नीचे लिंक में मिल जाएगा।